Okay, hello guys. Okay, this is one of my humidifier. This is a devil design. Got the RGB light. Okay, the light is changing. It's like beautiful. If you put inside your car, it's really look awesome, beautiful. So you can put this humidifier in your car, in your office, at your tables, or you can put inside your room. And for me, I put inside my toilet because I want my toilet smell nice, you know. So you guys can choose wherever you want to put, you know, to make it your environment smell good and healthy. Okay, you guys can see the mist. The mist is very strong. Okay, it's very strong. You see? You see? So should be no problem if you put at your office, in your table office, you know, or you put inside your bedroom also can, or you put inside the car. Like me, I put inside the toilet. So because I have few humidifiers, so I put all over my house. And by the way, this humidifier, you can use power bank. Okay, you can use power bank for the another alternative. You know, you don't need to use a plug or what, so you can use the power bank. Like inside my toilet don't have any plug, right? So I use the power bank. So for the power bank, you need at least 2.0 and above. 2.0 volt and above. Alright? If you use 1.0 volt, can, but the mist come out not so strong. The mist still come out, but not so strong as this. So I recommend you better find power bank that the voltage is 2.0 and above. Alright, okay, that's all for you guys, for my for the review for my humidifier. If you guys like it, you guys can order from me in my Carousel or my Facebook page. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.